Go, 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 go. YouTube, go, 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 go. Streaming, yes. Let's have some statistics because I live off statistics basically. And yeah, chat is on, baby. Music. Yeah, I think we're gonna regret if there is no proper music. I really want to hear some suggestions from you guys about what folk songs you have actually in your country. It's not only, I know Poland has really nice folk music, and I'm gonna play it for you guys, but you can easily suggest something and we can test it. We can see how good is your folk music. Yeah, sweet. This is the sweetest voice. Super sweet. Yeah, back to streaming. So basically I've actually asked my AI, Lord, maybe less loud. Oh, okay. So, I had an interview. It went shit. Yeah, okay, let's just... Interview went shit. If you wanna ask, like, I will actually, when there's more people, I can actually talk about it. Interview went shit. I have to keep building my own stuff. Yeah, and to-dos. I think the first one we can get rid of, to-dos. Okay, this one is gone. Although, I have to, let's not do to-dos. Test AI to in DaVinci. Yeah, I just basically I just asked AI one of those, fuck knows which one. It doesn't really matter actually. They just do the same job, you know, all the time. You just tell them to do it, and then you test if it's actually okay. If it's not okay, you fix it, and then you keep on trying, and then you see how it goes. So basically, like, I have my list of steps what I have to do. So basically, I just told my AI, and this is great. A couple of weeks ago, I just needed like a tool for chapters, for telling what are the chapters within my video. So I just kind of post my link to my video, and then it just kind of generates, AI generates the like description for videos with chapters. So this is actually how it looks. YouTube. Yeah, let's see how it looks. And no one is here obviously to listen, but like maybe people in future, like maybe myself in the future will watch this video and he will appreciate it. Myself in the future will appreciate it. So basically, like, let's make myself bigger. I think I can be a bit bigger for now. Then like I will be showing you the tool. Yeah, I can be bigger. So back to me big. So basically I created this tool for basically this. So this is actually just like going through the video and picking up chapters. And then like when you open this video here, and it gives you chapters and you can just like browse through them. This is a good actually for SEO and for CEOs? SEO. For SEO. Stop using YouTube tags! Oh. Now he's liar. He's just trying to get you to watch his video. But basically, like there are those chapters that I actually always want to add, and I actually maybe should start doing that for. So I actually built like I asked AI to build me a tool. Oh, there's something wrong with my. Oh, not there. No, okay, let's just, I think this one is not necessary, sorry. Edit video. How do I close the, yeah, I shouldn't have this one. Let's just, can I delete it? Delete, yes, delete. Delete forever. Go forever. You are deleted forever. So basically my tool, what it is doing, it's, you give it like a URL and it gives you those chapters. It gives you like, okay, these are the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter whatever. And then you just copy and paste it. It's like like any AI, you know, you just copy and paste this shit and you don't even read it. You don't care what it does. You just like throw it into your page and spam the internet with it. That's why we have AI. This is to make me a tool for making chapters, and I had this tool for a while, but I forgot to make chapters again. So that's me again. pnpm dev. So basically this tool, pnpm start. It's, I don't know, it's not working. Maybe pnpm install. Yes. No. What's the front and backend? Oh yeah, because we have a front and backend. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's just do cd backend as the AI Lord tells me to. pnpm install pnpm start. So the backend is working because it's Node, so it's easy. Like you don't have to worry. Like it's just this. I don't know what is it. Let's see the code. So there's just like one single server file that has actually a prompt. We do prompt. Yes, we do prompt. You analyze the YouTube video transcript. video title, and then this is fed to AI, and AI does shit with it, you know? So what's the next one? So the next step is, do we have to run frontend? Terminal 2. Okay, we do run frontend. cd frontend. pnpm install. Is there anything to install? Everything up to date. pnpm start. Good. Generate highlights. Actually, quick start. Do I need to run it even? Paste. Okay, so this is the app. This is my AI app that I just told AI to do. So now I'm gonna sell it for millions, obviously, and it's just gonna make me money, I hope. Or maybe not. Servers running 5,000. Okay, it should be okay. Usually it does that, you know. You have to like give it a nudge. Yeah, a viewer. No, that was me actually. It was 3,000. Okay, I think it's very slow to actually initially. I can see that the server starting development server. I think it needs to connect to the AI thing, so it takes a moment. So it's not the fastest service. It takes like, but the good thing is it gives me time to add to the other stuff. I can open my live stream and see if there's anyone, and there's no one. I can open girls dancing around in water. Yeah. And I can get back here. Now it's here. Good. This is lovely. So now, okay. So now I take my video. My live video from the morning today. Sure. I'll just copy the URL, I guess. I think this should do. Watch now. See, like I'm just posting things. It's so creative. I think like you like soon with my posting you will actually prefer AI. I think that's what's gonna happen. Should we generate chapters? Let's generate chapters. Ooh, okay. This is actually that's what happens sometimes because like when you open this live thing, it doesn't like the live thing. It means that there is a share. This is the real live link, is it? Okay, maybe this is the real. Okay, one of those actually. Let's see. I think this one should be better. Is it gonna work? Or it's going to say invalid URL. Okay, this doesn't. I think it doesn't like this live thing. I think like, can we open those links somehow other than just live? Is this how it works? No. Can we? So that sucks actually. So basically, like, so now, for example, I have to do it other way around. So I think it only likes those videos that are uploaded. So will I have to start uploading my live videos? That would be silly. Maybe I will, actually. Maybe slightly edited. Nonsense. But like, I might need to do that. Let's just like have this one. Let's have that one and just show it. And copy. Yep. And let's try generate chapters from that. So I think this will actually work. I think it doesn't like the fact that there's live. Or I might need to like upload them just like on the side to the channel. Okay, let's not use this music because this might actually, this song is pretty, but it might actually be protected by some rights. You know? I wonder like if okay. Lipka. Yeah, it takes a while to actually analyze it, but like because it's AI, it takes a moment. And then like I will have a highlight. Basically, there's AI. There's lots of apps that are doing that already. You know, so it's not like I'm doing anything like original here. It's like most basic shit that AI does. You know, it just like goes through transcript and let's just generate my highlights. And I wanted to actually. I want to be able to get from my talking for many hours. I want to just spit out a couple of shorts, and like it will decide how many. Okay, and it gives me already like the time when it's actually there. So it's actually pretty good actually. So I've got short 1, short 2, and short 3, which starts. This one starts at 30 seconds. This one starts at 13th minute, and yeah, like it's like yeah, this is just perfect. Like I basically have like this just gives me when to get those clips from, and this is a nice step. Next step is I can do DaVinci, so which is even better for me. So I just wanted to actually. This is good, so I could go to DaVinci and just open this, like, okay, and then I have like, I also have like a title, I also have this, so I can actually directly almost, I hope, let's see how my plugin works exactly. I can just generate those scripts, but maybe, I will have to now, now I'll have to focus on work actually, focus on work, back to work. Now I will have to go to YouTube, and I wonder if I... Okay, let's just stop showing me shorts. I want to watch them all the time. I want to watch shorts all the time, so please stop showing. Good. I want to start, like, I want to go here and go to live, obviously, where no one is watching me, and then I wonder like if I can, do I like upload this to YouTube now? Or maybe like everything that I'm doing now I will have to also record locally, and that might be actually a thing. And then will I be uploading this to YouTube straight away? So let's say, okay, this is a video that I have somewhere. I don't know. This is like 41 seconds, so that's probably not. So I do have this, and this is not really up to date. Okay, let's find the later, more recent. I think this is something I already published. Yes, this is my, this is for my, like, one of my videos. Let's see by size. Oh, that's yeah. Let's sort them by size. I think that would be more useful. There's 3 gigabytes. There is this one that is very long. Oh, this is a present from my wife. This shirt. So like I think it's worth actually use it. Okay, so I'm going to upload this to YouTube. As it is, and I don't really care what it shows because that's just my live cast, and I actually should start recording this one as well. Start recording because this will be useful. I can just throw it on YouTube and then just use my AI chapter highlights generator and make this thing. So okay, I need to now upload this thing on YouTube. Please stop showing me those girls. Please stop showing me those girls. Why am I just clicking here all the time? Fuck. Yeah, okay, back to work, back to work. No girls, please, no girls. Okay, uploading. Switch to channel. Okay, this is my channel, one of the many channels because I'm obviously like a YouTube addict. View your channel. Let's upload. Let's go live. Upload the video. Yeah. I'm gonna just upload this one, which is a huge video, but I have good internet at my parents' house. And it should actually deal with it quite quickly. And I'm not gonna publish it. Yeah, this is good title. Lovely title. Playlist. No playlist, no, not made for kids. I don't care about that stuff. Next. Unlisted. So it's gonna be, yeah, unlisted. And yeah, just save it. Just save it. Still checking with content. Yeah, go publish anyway. Wherever. Yeah, just publish it. Don't worry. Just do it. And obviously it will take you a while, but like there's a good internet here. So just throw it there. Throw it there. I will just throw it away later. So that's not a problem. Shit, again. No. This is not the tab you should be showing. This is not the tab you should be looking at. This is really not the stuff you should be watching. You should be focused. Please focus and work. So the plugin, yes. Okay, let's start this plugin in DaVinci because this is my favorite bit of this project. My favorite bit of the project is that I asked the AI to write me a plugin, you know, like a full plugin for DaVinci Resolve, and I'm also a big fan of DaVinci Resolve, so I spent many hours there. So let's see how I can run it there. DaVinci Resolve plugin guide. YouTube channel, and maybe I will publish it later on some server. You know, I have servers here and there that I could probably use for that, and just burn some server space, and not pay others for doing this, because this is maybe I should actually pay others. But like for example, like I'm actually uploading a really big video, and if I use someone else's AI shit, then it's gonna cost me much more. So shit. No, don't look there. Yeah, so this is the app. This is me uploading the thing with great title. Let's see the big file if it does. Okay, like DaVinci. Highlights DaVinci. What do I do with highlights DaVinci actually? Yeah, let's just figure this out, because this is a cool plugin. And then when I'm done with it, I promise I get back to my app. I promise I will work on my thing again. So prerequisites. DaVinci Resolve, yes, backend server running. Oh, okay, so the frontend doesn't have to be running even. Installation. Option 1, Lua plugin, recommended for basic use. Okay, copy DaVinci plugin Lua 2. And this is typically... yeah, let's go to DaVinci, so it's users, so it's... So it's not desktop, obviously. It's updated. Nothing. Yeah, let's see. So it's here, and just one slash. No. Okay, so it's this. Let's go here. So it's actually Black Magic. Where's Black Magic? DaVinci Resolve Media? No. Yeah, I did it other day. I did it somewhere there. Maybe it's actually on C somewhere. Am I like no? Okay, maybe it's here actually. Here. DaVinci Resolve, Fusion. Yeah. We are there. Fusion. Scripts. Oh. So I create scripts. So it's like a Lua. No, this is probably not it. Not it. Or maybe function. Yeah, function scripts comp. Yeah, okay, let's just go here. And then we just copy that. Whatever it actually created for me, that's DaVinci Resolve plugin Lua. Copy. Yeah, okay. I never actually programmed it in Lua, so that's, you know, it's nice that DaVinci does it. I mean, that it's good that AI does it. Yeah, continue. Let's see. Okay, I think it's here. Let's see if it's gonna be restart DaVinci. Okay, let's just close this. DaVinci. Yeah, let's see how it actually implements it, and how when I generate the highlights, how it will actually give it to me in DaVinci. Hi there. Please stay. Please be with me. I will show you some nice girls, you know, dancing. Some of them are fat there, like you can see, but she has a really nice voice, like this really sweet, like very actually like Ukrainian, I would say, very Eastern European with, maybe not Ukrainian actually. My wife's voice sounds differently, but like this very, I don't know, I don't even know how to describe this voice. How do you describe this voice? I need AI for that. I think I need AI to describe her voice. Let's her sing again. There you go. Beautiful, yeah, sweet, very sweet voice. Yeah, okay, are we there yet? No, we are not there yet. Oh, 2 people. That just doubled them. Yeah, so I'm actually making this like, this is a plugin for DaVinci Resolve that I created with AI, and it's actually brilliant. I mean, there's 2 plugins here. So one is for generating chapter descriptions. So like if you actually look, so it's like it analyzes your video and just creates that, you know. So it tells you like, okay, these are the chapters within your video, and then this is actually useful for YouTube. And then there is other part of it. There's one for creating highlights, and it will create 3 highlights for now. I will maybe increase that, and they will be actually used as I can probably try to use them later as shorts. Although currently I'm generating 1 minute of it, or like around 1 minute, and or like 45 seconds or something. I wonder what's from actually. And like ideally it will actually probably be longer, and then I will have to chop it down to, like, you know, remove all those. I wonder if I can write a plugin for that as well, or like expand this plugin later. So maybe that's a. Oh, yeah, I was an interview. I had an interview, but like basically like I'm not that interested in going to work. But like I'm still being interviewed because I stopped working for one place, and that is still in my. So like I had an interview with this company from, I don't know, they're working for some Scandinavian, Norwegian company, but they're in Poland and they're like software house. And I was talking to a guy who's like, you know, he's as experienced as me, maybe 2. He said he's 17 years of software developer, and I'm only 15, so he's senior to me, obviously. And then like we were like, he was asking me those stupid questions. I think they're stupid now, you know, like what is the difference between use memo and memo, you know, what is new in React 19, and like all of that crap that really doesn't matter. Like with AI it doesn't really matter. Like, I really think it's a waste of time to actually spend too much time. I mean, maybe it's good to read like what's in new React, maybe, but like if someone is like focusing on this kind of knowledge instead of asking you how you deal with problems that are arising between people, you know, if someone is asking you, you know, what is the React compiler and why it's there and why it's good, if he's asking you that, he's an idiot. Because in this era, you just ask AI, can you give me the, you know, can you put compiler into my project? But what we can focus on, and he's like pretending, he's like trying to justify his work, his job, you know, that he's the senior, you know, senior, and he's the most knowledgeable. And he will be lording over you that he knows actually better what React compiler is. And in my opinion, what React compiler is not important. You know, you might actually read on it later, but this is not something that you should focus on interview. You should not focus on what is React compiler, or what is readable stream, or what is the difference between map and object, or, you know, this is not something you should be asking people in the interview. I think this is just you wasting time and trying to pretend that you have some sort of knowledge. And what you should be asking is, how do you deal with problem? And how do you deal with problem with people? How do you deal with problem when you don't know what you are building? These are actually questions you should be asking developers. Or how do you deal with conflict? Yes, you can ask about some technical knowledge. You could ask like, how would you deal with a situation when the server is broken and you have to release something and you have to, you know, and there's no one actually to ask. How do you deal with that kind of situation? What do you do when your client, when your boss is telling you that the thing that your team has built over last month is not working as you expected it to work? How do you deal with that? Will you just like to make your team to, you know, work overtime so they actually fulfill? Oh, sorry. Will you? Yeah, sorry for that. Will you make your team work overtime so they can actually fix what the boss didn't see there? Or maybe you speak to the boss and ask why he didn't explain you what he wanted. So he is asking me, and like, yes, I know, this is a standard interview questions. These are standard interview questions that everyone is asking. What's the difference between constant let in JavaScript? What is this in JavaScript? What is object in JavaScript? How do you create, you know, in TypeScript? This was actually a question. How do you, no data. Are we recording? Okay, whatever. You know, how do you create the interface where everything is optional? Yes, this is stuff that is useful-ish, you know? Or what's the difference between undefined and null? Okay, useful, but if this is what you focus on when hiring people, this is actually, you are just wasting time. You're just wasting my time and time of people who are hiring you, because this is not what development is today about. It's not about knowing the best, you know, the library the best. This is actually, the knowing library the best is just like, it's not very useful in knowledge, you know, in this age. What is there that developers should do is help other developers build the application and help clients build what they actually want you to build. And not really focus on TypeScript or whatever. TypeScript is just a tool. Oh, sorry. Again, girls again. Women again. Yeah, so, yeah, that was the interview, and I think it was like, I will fail it because I just don't think like it's useful. Again, those questions you mentioned are all easy. Just answer them. No. Yes, they are answered. They're easy, and I actually forgot some of them. You know, I'm actually forgetting some of the basics now because I don't really find them useful. Yes, they are easy, but this is you will be actually dealing with this guy all the time, and you have to deal with him. You know, because this is not only interview. So if you start answering those questions and will not actually question why is he actually, what is his project about, then you will be working with him all the time. Him actually trying to pretend that he has some sort of knowledge that you don't. And this, I worked with those people, and they're so annoying, and they're almost like I'm like, that's why I don't want to go back to corporations. That's why I want to build my own stuff, because dealing with those questions, which you will have actually, you will have debates. People will be debating like which UI library is the most important, instead of actually focusing on like, and they will actually spend weeks and months rewriting shit from one to other, or from Jotai to or from Redux to Jotai, because they are afraid of asking their boss, what are we building and why are we building this? And yeah, this is so yeah, go on, you can feel free. And I used to do that all the time. I would just jump in and answer those questions. I would just learn them by heart. I would just like memorize some of those things, and then I would work with those idiots. And they're just pretending that they have actually some sort of knowledge of above you. They will be pretending, okay, I'm better than you, because I actually know this small tiny fact that is irrelevant in the project itself. Yeah, so you could, yeah, I answered most of them. I think I answered some badly because I don't really care. I don't really care to actually think too much about it. And some of them I don't know. I actually don't know what React compiler does. I don't care. I don't really learn it. I don't read the specification for 19, because it's just like, I don't know. I don't really see the reason. You just ask your AI to write it, and I know it's actually kind of annoying, because I spend many weeks and months learning Redux and things that are actually irrelevant now. But like, you have to just be honest. This is not relevant anymore. This knowledge is not that necessary. And if you wanna deal with those people, feel free to just go on, learn that stuff, memorize those things, learn what's the difference between wherever. Just learn those tiny nitpicks that are actually, or not nitpicks. Just feel free to learn that, and then you will be dealing with them every day. And this is not something that I want to do. I really don't want to have another of those jobs. And we just like, instead of asking your manager what are we building, we are just like, we are maybe not complaining, but we are debating over like some libraries, like some silly libraries. Like, okay, which library should we use for dropdown? Doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. You are building something with a client, and if you are just like focusing on those like tiny things, yeah. So I don't agree with you. Like, this the interview is not only for you, for them to actually tell why they want to, like, to decide over if they want to hire you, but it's also for you to see if you really want to work with those people. And like, I often say no to those people, and when they do stupid things like asking you about those stupid stuff. Hello, hey Kuba. Yeah, I'm just talking about my interview that I just had this morning with this. Like, I think I will fail it because I just don't care about knowing every smallest bit about JavaScript and React anymore. I don't care about that stuff. So I actually failed on questions that are, okay, what is React 19 about? I don't know. I don't care. It's not relevant. It's not important. And the guy was nice, but like, I think it's just like he's asking the wrong questions. So yeah, whatever. This is just like another job interview. I will get to, if I need to find a job, I will find it. I think. But like, I would rather actually have my own product. And today I'm actually building like super cool product. This is with AI, and I don't really have to know why React 19 compiler is good. Is it compiler? Yeah, wherever. Or what is CSRF, which is some sort of. So he was actually asking me those questions, and like, so then I'm asking like, okay, so is this like used now? Like, did you see it in use? And he's like, yeah, he's seen it like many years ago or something. Whatever. Yeah, just I don't know. It's just waste of time. Like, we are not dealing with real stuff. Yeah, okay. No. Where's the link for it? I'm just testing my new AI tool for generating highlights. I just asked AI to write it. So I ask AI to write AI stuff. Because basically I want to be able to open thing in DaVinci Resolve, like a video from YouTube, and I want to be able to for it to like do all, like main editing, so it would actually create those, like for example shorts for me. It will actually create me shorts from my long videos. So yeah, let's see, because I actually I created this Lua plugin, so I just have to like, is it in Fusion? Where's Fusion? Here's Fusion. But I mean, I didn't create it. I'm just lying. This was actually AI that did it for me. And it's actually generating that out of, like, if you just post a URL to your video, it will give you that. And this is actually something that is solved already by many apps online, but they're paid, and they have this stupid thing called credits that keep on annoying me all the time. So, you know, just tell it to make it for you, and it makes great job. It will make you a nice short, but then like you run out of credit very quickly. And because I'm actually recording long videos, then running out of credit is very fast. Yeah, happens all the time too. Yeah, in my previous company, my bosses were discussing technology for automated tests for 2 years. It was switching between learning Java and then Python and finally TS, but I had enough. Yeah, so I left. The thing is, like, yeah, it's just like they're not solving anything. and you know, they're just like there to pretend that their work is needed. And they will have like many hours of discussions about code quality, about about, you know, which library is better for dropdowns, you know, which is very irrelevant. And if you question them about this, like, it's just, they have no, like, I mean, it's just, I know, it's just opinions, you know. So we're gonna talk many hours about opinions, rewrite things many times, just because you don't know what you're doing. That's my opinion. Yeah. So yeah, I blew my interview. I think it didn't go well, and fuck them. I don't care really. It doesn't matter to me. Or, you know, it might matter a bit in a few months, but like for now it's not really that important. Let's see if it actually analyzes my video well. Okay, let's generate chapters with my new AI. Transcript available for this video. Video might not have captions enabled. Oh, okay. Do we have captions enabled? Maybe, maybe not. Edit video. Do you have like captions here somewhere? Subtitles, no. Why do we like add captions? Yeah, I don't know. YouTube, add captions, or enable captions for YouTube video. Yeah, I'm actually doing side projects again.
I'm going to show you how you can create cool captions like these in your videos, and it's super simple. First, you want to download the app called...
No, fuck off, no, you just stop selling this stuff. I want to enable on YouTube. How do I add subtitles? Is this it? No.
Captions that look like these for free. First,
No. How do you enable captions here? Show more. Okay, analysis. Maybe this. No. Editor. Subtitles. Video language published. Oh, is this? No, this is subtitles. Comments. No, no comments. Clips. No clips. Create video clip. Maybe settings? Is this for a video or like for channel? No, no, that's just for channel. Yeah, maybe it's not still generating or something. Maybe it's processing it. Anything on the chat? I don't know. Build and by yourself. Yes, yes, it's nice to have one of those. I mean, the thing is like there are those tools and they're pretty good actually often. But then like you realize that you run out of credit. So, and actually like if you connect it to some cheap AI, you might actually not even pay for any credit ever. So that's fine. Okay, where do I? Fusion. Okay, where's my? Okay, no. Can I generate highlights, or is it still no transcript available for this video? This video might not have captions enabled. YouTube enable captions for video. Where is it? Where is it? Click the CC icon. Where the hell is CC icon? Okay, still like a, oh yeah, here. Oh, that's SD. Where's CC? Can I enable it? I didn't forget. Because I think like sometimes it analyzes it, which is pretty good. Should I just like publish this thing? Because this one has captions, yes? Does it have like captions here? Audio info cards. Comments now. Set language. What if I do Polish? Confirm. No English. Confirm. Oh, so maybe automatic captions. Oh, okay, so I think I know, okay. So now if we go to subtitles, is this the, yeah, published. Is it, because it might, oh yeah, it's still processing. Okay, good. So it will, when it's processed, I will probably be able to generate captions and highlights for this video. So I actually like my AI is actually going to give me like free highlights for shorts. Okay, let's just get the previous video, which actually had the captions. Which one was it? This. Yeah, so this will generate chapters obviously, and then I can do highlights as well. Yeah, Gemini. I'm using Gemini, like the cheapest one that they have, because I don't really need to pay for it. I hope I won't. And yeah, let's see. No transcript available for this video. Are you kidding me? Oh no, there are chapters. Yeah, okay. This is about into generate highlights. Okay, let's try that now. So basically, yeah, I just want to first generate highlights, AI, fetching from this try gonna later. Okay, it's later. You're gonna do it now? Ah, sucks. Worked before. Yeah, maybe I will have to use, more resources. Maybe I should go back to my real project. Something that will make me money, hopefully. I mean, this might make me money, but like, it's not really ready. No. Okay, maybe later. That's fine. Okay, back to actually the project. Let's get back to project. I have a to-do list, pretty long because I just done one this morning. So let's just products table assign customers from list. Oh, that's actually done as well. No, is it? Oh no, this is not wrong localhost. Wrong localhost. Okay, I will get back to this later. I wanted to have it in DaVinci Resolve, but like maybe that's for later. Let's go back to product planner. So I just need to check some. Cool. Yep. Okay, let's do it. Cool. Sorry for that. I spoke to Kuba, the guy from chat from yesterday, the other Kuba. We're gonna go for pizza this evening. Yeah. What? No. Fish and stuff. Yeah, nice. Back to my video generator. Let's see if the highlights are actually work. Okay, I'm gonna get back. Oh, no, is it? Failed to generate highlights. Please try again. Okay, last time. Let's see what the errors are. Generate highlights. Fail. What's the error? No error. Oh, backend off? Maybe backend is off. Did I turn off the backend? Oh, I just turned off the entire project. Okay, whatever. That's not. Okay. I will try it later. Okay. CD web. Clean dev. CD backend. CD backend. CD. Oh yeah, because I'm. No. Oh yeah, I'm in backend. Python manage runs. Yeah, like I was bitching about the guy on interview. Obviously, like it's good to know things, and I'm not saying that you shouldn't learn things and you shouldn't read things. You shouldn't know about React 19 or stuff, but you should have reasons why you're learning it. Otherwise, you're just wasting time. You're just not really like it's not that necessary to learn often. Like knowledge between knowing what's the difference between React Memo and React Memo use memo. It's not that actually important mostly. Like I really rarely actually see the like even like often I like realize I didn't know that, so I'm reading the documentation and I realize that it's actually not that important. So like yeah, now I understand it and I'm not using it again. Anyway, doesn't matter, Or like you do other thing. You realize that there's something wrong with your app and it refreshes too many times. And it's obviously React app, so you should like use effect and use callback and use memo, and then you do it everywhere because you think it's gonna help you everywhere, and it doesn't always. Often it doesn't. Often it actually is just waste of space, or like even like if you like, yeah, you would have to either understand it very well why you are using it, or just like, you know, it might not improve anything. Yeah. Or you just put it everywhere and don't care, and it always works well. The thing is, like, you know, in terms of performance, there's quite a lot with, you know, React as well. So often you don't have to even bother about that. And like, you know, our brain is limited. You know, you might actually, if you actually learn about the React compiler, you might not learn about something that will actually make you money. So, or if you are actually spending days learning about readable streams, you might actually not focus on actually making a product that is useful. You might actually forget about that, because your brain is focused on understanding what readable stream is, and you think it's important, and you realize that it's really not that important. Because, yeah, and instead of thinking about something that will actually be useful, you're focusing fully your brain on other stuff. So you're actually cheating your brain, telling him, okay, brain, this is important now. Readable streams in React are important. This is actually very important. So don't worry about other problems. Make sure you understand readable streams. It's winter here, so I'm actually having my cold. Oh, hi guy number 3. You just joined according to my statistics. Let's see, what's my stream is healthy, good. Let's see what's the name of the stream. Okay, no, back to programming. Let's see. Oh, okay, like back to my app. Yeah, this is the password for my. Okay, so back to my lovely app. What was the problem I actually had in my list? Products table, assign customer from list. Customer. Okay, this is working. And supplier working as well. Yeah, okay, this is done actually. So another point is done. Create delivery from customer should be sorted and have search. Form, create delivery form, okay. Deliveries. Create delivery form. It should be, yeah, okay. It has customers, but it should be sorted and have search. In create new delivery. Okay, let's just write that to my AI. And DaVinci, sorry DaVinci, I love you. I love to spend time with you. I really would like to actually figure out how to use this plugin, but maybe it's better to actually learn. Okay, nothing in chat, good. Products here. Okay, new delivery form. In my new, is it new? Create delivery form. Customers, list in customer drop down. Customers. Should be sorted and have search. Did you finish? Yes and no, and yes and no. It's like something that I'm still building, and I just yeah, I realized I have a couple of things. Basically, like it's a long story. Long story. Let's just explain it. So I've got this script for sales video, yes, and I probably talked about it many times already. So I actually almost done this video, and I could have finished it, but I'm kind of missing a couple of bits, and like in my current app, they don't really look great, especially like this reports. Oh, completed deliveries. Okay, and it could be improved, you know, maybe visually as well. So there are a couple of things that I want to actually show in the video, a bit better than they are now. So I'm actually fixing them now. So, you know, a bug fixes, like small layout updates, you know, and then, like while I'm there, I'm actually fixing other stuff. So for example, like I realized customers list, again, okay, I can see that this is the same problem, that we have everything checked, so now every item has check next to it. Check every item in that list. In that list, let's check icon. Make sure it's only in case of selected items. Yeah, so did I be finished? Yes, I think I did, but maybe I didn't really exactly. You know, the thing is like, I'm not 100% ready to sell it. And I'm very close. I think I'm very, very, very close. But there are some bugs I can find annoying, or I just like thought, okay, maybe I should spend more time on this bit. So like, I think like after this like list of things that I have here, I'll finish my sales video, maybe today, probably today or tomorrow morning, and then, you know, I will actually start looking into how I can actually get people to use it. Okay, but why didn't you do it the same way as other things? Yeah. This part. Maybe the opacity of check icon instead. So when it's selected, so all items are aligned. All items are so yeah, finishing. I think it's fine. I'm doing well with it, but like it's just come on AI, don't be stupid. Okay, but yeah, okay AI, yeah. This is actually Tailwind. I hate Tailwind for that. Because like there is a class saying that this should be invisible when it's not selected, but for some reason in Tailwind here it doesn't work. And like I don't want to do that pass with style value. So for some reason my fucking Tailwind not is not working over that. I wonder if I can swear. Can I swear to... Okay. Yeah, let's have another poll. I think it actually... Did you ever... How do you write swearing? Yeah, okay, let's see if it's working. Yeah, finally, this is how I wanted it. And you had it in 20 places. And like, okay, sometimes knowing React is good because, or writing it yourself is good. Because then, you don't have to, yeah, you actually can just apply the same component. So like if I was writing it myself, I would probably have the same component for all of those. But it might be actually just making them multiple times. And I actually don't know. I really don't know how my AI does it. My AI lord. Yeah, she has such a nice voice. Yeah, not the prettiest nose, I guess, but like very nice voice. Yeah, okay, let's try first. Yeah. No questions? Good, good. Back to my app. So I'm almost like, I'm close. I'm closer. How do you say swear? Swear. Okay, swear. 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 On your Did you ever swear on your eye? Oh, no, no, don't end, don't end. Ah, shit. Start. Fucking general. Yeah. Yeah, another ball. Yeah, so finishing panel. Doing. I think it's going well. Okay, that's, yeah, opacity good. So this one, yeah, this one is done. Product stable, sorting not working. Okay, I think it's working now, so maybe we are actually even another step further. No. Let's see if there is actually a... ID? Or is this sorting by ID? Oh, okay, how is sorting by... Oh, okay, so... Okay. Yeah, so the sorting seems to be actually sent. Sorting seems to be sent on product stable. Sorting doesn't work. The event is sent, but when it returns data in table is not updated. Yeah, there is something about updating it, yeah. That's gonna be done soon, I think. Where's the Cloud Summit? Okay, that's not the cheapest. I wonder how much credit did I use so far. Found the issue. Good, good, you found the issue. I'm happy to. I'm happy with it. Chat. It's my premium request. 10% done so far. Okay, so we're in 6 days. No. Let's switch to the cheap one. Load. Let's see how it goes. Maybe it will work as well. I think my suspicion is it's gonna work similar. It's not gonna change much. In my... Oh, what's wrong? Hey AI, what's wrong with my stuff? Why am I not seeing anything? Okay. Okay, this is what I'm getting now. Yeah, I could probably save it myself. Product stable. Yeah, okay. Product stable. What's the line? 118. This code is awful. 118. Block scope at used before its declaration. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. Why is it here? Actually? Whoa, I put so much crap here. Whoa, look at this! Here, and then like here again. I love how it's actually... My god. What a beautiful code. Whoa. Oh. I'm afraid actually, I'm worried actually that if I touch it, it's gonna be even worse. Yeah, okay. Now it's sorted. Good. Sort by customer. Oh, but doesn't sort by customers. SKU. Oh. Works now. Works now for names and scope, but not for customer and ideas. Why? Yeah, let's see if it's gonna fix that one. And then I'm done with this problem. Oh, no one here. What is everybody? Why did you leave me, guys? Why did you leave me? I'm playing this beautiful music for you and you don't come here. You leave me. Let's get Lipka. Lipka, oh, or maybe free users. I don't know, okay. I never know if anyone's watching. It's so exciting. I could just like... I could undress here. I could take off my clothes and I don't know if anyone is seeing me or not. Good. I could kill a person here. I could steal money here and no one would actually see it. Or maybe they would. I don't know. There's 3 guys now, so someone would see it, I think. No one is swearing at his agent? Oh, you are really relaxed people. 100% of 1 people actually didn't swear at his agent. That's good. You're very well behaved, I guess. It's like with women, if they actually, you know, paint their lips, it's actually they're so much hotter. Just by their lipstick. Lipstick changes so much. Because those girls are quite average here, but you know, the lips are improving a lot, I would say. Okay, then. Okay. Okay. I think we are done. Yeah, that's work. That works. Let's see if this still works. Oh, but now my filtering doesn't work. Yes. But now my filtering by customer and supplier don't seem to work. Yeah. So this is the response. I think it's the same. Okay, I can almost know what it's actually doing. But like, because I'm actually like doing everything with AI now, I don't fix my errors too much. It's just like they just fix themselves. AI just does it for me, and I don't bother too much anymore. So yeah, is it fine now or not? Let's see. It's clear. Let's select one. Yeah, and now it works. Yep. Okay. What's actually my bullets? No. None. Oh, none has. None has everything. Not a number. It's none. None. When the supplier is not defined on import, we get none. Should T or if it's none, products table just and value. What should we do about it? So almost product don't have a supplier. Yeah, let's see if it figures out something else. Someone left and didn't say goodbye. That's very bad habit. I think I would say goodbye at least. I'm providing so much quality here, so much entertainment. And someone wouldn't even say goodbye. Yep. Yeah, so actually if I manage to actually get all of those points done, maybe I will get back to my plugin, to my AI plugin for DaVinci. I kinda love that topic. I wouldn't mind to actually get back to working on this. Perfect. I fixed the backend logic to properly handle none from pandas. My customer field now check if the value none before I can. Okay. Now when you import products, cool. That's also in the table. Not show none. Oh, actually, let's just skip it. Fuck it. I think none is good. Yeah. Also, okay. So when I select, when I click on supplier or customer in table, I'm getting a pop-up that fetches the list, but this is for each line, and I could just save and not in state. And times this yeah, that kind of stuff. It's tiny nitpicks, but like I would like to. I think it makes sense. First I'll add state. I feel like each drop down like this should do the same way. Should work with the same way. The thing is, like, you know, when I'm giving it to AI, it just kind of does it. Now I have to go through all of them. So now it's fetching, good, and now it's fetching again. It's fetching again. So yes, here we have a list, and here we don't. Yeah. Okay, I think it's still. Oh yeah, because it's still working. Huh, smart. Okay, I'm just gonna go for we and be back in 2 minutes and grab a tea maybe. And you stay and make sure it's coding well. You guys, and you know, and make sure you vote on the things and make sure everything is good. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. See you. Yeah, but I'll be back in a minute. But I'm staying on the live stream. Good. Yeah, nice. Nice. Works. Thanks. Good AI. No errors. Good. Oh, where are my products actually? In field should have to create here we should use as in table with search and sorted alphabetically. That is so. Yeah, okay, let's see. Yeah, I think I like it. Let's see if in customer do you have filters here? In deliveries. Should also have filters for a customer as in robots. No bugs, no bugs, good. It's making code without bugs. It's better than me as a developer, I think. Two people. One person. Ah, god, I shouldn't show this page. Oh, okay, yeah, it will apply to the table, but problem is yeah. Full list of customers, but only instead are available in delivery. Oh no. Okay, no. Actually, we don't need full list in filter. The ones that are available in deliveries. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we don't need them all. AI, why are you serving all of them to me? I don't need them all. What a lousy spot, like, what a lousy video today. Just 19 people. Yesterday I had like 300. Yesterday was crazy. Oh, because it was later. Does it mean that I have to connect later? That would be harder. Because I like to sleep when it's late. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, but now it's not applied anyway. But now this filtering is not applied. Value of filter should show on. Oh, maybe it's actually like, maybe it's actually not applied. I had that problem earlier. Let's try this. Huh. Huh. Okay. There's something funny with statuses, but oh no, I think that's fine. Okay. Yeah. Filter it's still all items like this. This will return let's copy object. Oh no. Yeah, whatever. Copy property, copy value. Is this right? Yeah, okay, let's see. Maybe it will actually figure it out. Oh, no, queen, not queen, because this is actually gonna block me. No, queen, no, queen, I don't want to listen to you. You have a good song that my daughter loves, but I'm not gonna play you to my audience here. Let's try ethno music. So this pretty beautiful AI generated lady. See, everything AI is better. The standard girls were just like, okay, they were average, and this one is amazing. Although it's fake. You can hear that it's actually quite fake music. Let's have the real one. It's back to real music. No, still a sensible list. No. I think it's this one. Nope. Nope. This will get me this. Preview. Copy value. Yes? Yes. Just change the t-shirt. Good. Not good. Okay. So are you gonna... Did you fix it? Yep. Another pizza. Good. Yeah, finally. Good. Yeah, okay. I think I did outside of the list, but I would add it to the list if I had it. No, Postman, go away. I don't need you. Fix German translations. Yeah, okay. Let's see what German does. Deutsch. Save changes. Ooh, and some error here. Okay. Okay, there, Deutsch, there. Okay. Is this like all? Save changes. Profile updated successfully. Okay, bad. Account settings. Settings. Are you able to go through all views and check if is low? I can see loads hard-coded text aspects that's in settings. Let's see. Let's see Deutsch. Let's see Polish actually. Polski. Okay, Polski. Settings. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Matrika, okay, no, good. Calm down. Delivery details. Flowers. Okay, I will just give it all the information, so it's gonna be quite smarter. It's quite the detail. Customers. Customer detail. So many other. Yeah, I'll just give it everything. Give it all. Okay. Yeah, go AI! Go through all of it. This would actually take me half a day to actually do that. That's a... And I'm just listing them and just giving it to AI to go for it. So to just give me lots of translations. Let's just say it. Yep. Strawberries. Love it. Hey bro, your app is becoming so amazing day by day. Thank you. You are amazing. No, don't be so shy. You are amazing. And especially when you say nice things about me. This makes you amazing, and I'm happy to see that you are becoming like a valuable contributor to this chat. So yeah, thank you. Toy Code. Where are you from, Toy Code? Toy Code? Toy Code. Yeah, we had a couple of chats. Good. Back to up. Yeah, okay, I'm doing translations. Ooh, excellent. The subject has identified a comprehensive list of... Okay. Given the scope of work, literally hundreds of hard-coded strings across 13 files. Would you like me to start? Yeah, go as you like. Go as you like. You do, my lovely. Go as you like. I know you have no usually have no choice, Claude. They just make you do things as they like it, and I'm like, really lovely. I will just tell you, you decide how you like it. And this is actually like something that I like to when I'm working with people, and I'm working with people that are more junior than me, and or more senior with me as well. That happens as well. Oh, sorry. Let me just. So when I'm working with people, junior, senior, wherever, I like to do the same thing, you know? When they ask me what to do, I'm just telling them, so what do you think? How do you think we should implement it? In this case it was Gemini, but like, how do you think we should implement it? Because most of the time they will actually know better. Because they actually read something, or I can ask them, would you like me to research on that? Do you want me to spend some time on researching, or are you gonna just recommend something? And this is actually usually very useful. And that actually proves that it's more important, I think, to listen to people than to tell them what to do. Because usually I don't know what to tell them, or quite often I don't know what to tell them. And quite often they come with a really good idea. So you just tell them, I don't know, what do you think? Or all of it sounds good. What do you think is the best? How we should approach it? And they like you because it's like a compliment, you know. You're acknowledging that their knowledge is they are knowledgeable. Two, sorry, for me to know that kind of like some like obscure things, you know, to know that I would have to just go or there are two things. There are two options, or maybe three options. Like if someone asks you, like the one thing is like you know better, and you don't always know better. And if you don't know better, it's actually good to acknowledge that. Sometimes you know better, so you can just say, okay, in my opinion, this is a better solution. What do you think? Yeah. So obviously, like in situation where you know and they don't know, like you can tell that. Often there is like it's really hard, like no one knows actually. So you can ask them, and you know, but like if you don't know and you pretend that you do, you actually have like you either like they will actually realize that after a while when they actually learn, or you will guys choose bad option, and then it's like you know you go on doing something that is not really necessary to be built or something. Or what was the other option? There was another option that I forgot now. Option number 3 or 4 or 5, I don't remember, was that you will have to learn that and really spend time to actually understand it. And so sometimes it's good because you are actually developing some skills, you are learning, you're becoming better, you know, at engineering or something. And often it's not, because you're busy. You have kids. You have to drop. You know, you have to go swimming tonight, or like you know, you want to go for a run, and no, you don't want to. Sometimes you like to. You know, you want to read stuff, or you want to watch videos about people explaining how things work, but often you don't. And then, you know, it actually puts you in a really bad spot. So like I think it's often like my favorite strategy is just to ask, like if I don't know exactly, if I don't know that I know better, that I would just ask them, okay, what do you think, or should we actually research that? Should we research that? That's a good one as well. So that's a key knowledge. Where's everybody? Let me just play this lovely girl, actually. This lovely singing lady. Very, very nice, very nice. Radzeń Podlaski. Where's Radzeń Podlaski? Let's see. Oh, this is a nice place. Oh, okay, it's not that far actually. I live here. And this is here. Not too far, not too far. So it looks like a pretty place to visit. Yeah, very nice. So this is where was the concert. And I'm waiting for AI to fix things. Hello! Litkowski. Ooh, wow. Are you Polish? We like there's, but like if you were Polish, there wouldn't be V. Litkowski with W. That could be actually some Polish. Or maybe you're American and then your parents change your name to add V because it's cooler that way. How is it, Litkowski? Tell me. And also, oh yeah, someone is swearing. Okay, so we have 50-50. Oh, it's a fake name. Okay, that's... So where are you from? Oh, and make sure you vote, you know, on my chat. Whether you swear on your AI or not. You bloody thing. Okay, there's some deliveries. Delivered, okay. Oh, there is this button that needs to go probably here. Or at the bottom. Oh! Status history. Look at this! What a bug! We want to display it. Status history is actually a pretty cool thing to have. I think my AI is still... I gave my AI like a huge task to actually do all translations and check like whether we are using Use Translate everywhere and if we have like hard-coded stuff or this stuff. So now my AI for last 10 minutes is just like going through everything. So it's you know, I have to pretend that, you know, I have interesting things to say. I'm Russian, but left 9 years ago. It's a complex question. Don't worry, I'm not judging, you know, if you're Russian. I know... Do I know? We actually know one family that is Russian in Poland here. And the funny thing is like the woman, she was actually apologizing because my wife is like Ukrainian. She was apologizing my wife about the war, but like it's not like she is responsible for it. So it's just like it's kind of awkward sometimes, like seeing them. And we've got brother Russian friends. And my wife is Ukrainian and she speaks perfect Ukrainian and Russian. And my kids are actually speaking Russian as well. So it's complicated. Oh, and funny thing, actually, there's one thing in my wife's family, that her uncle, he stayed in Russia after the Soviet Union collapsed. He's Ukrainian, he has Ukrainian name. But you know, back then no one cared about that stuff. And he stayed there and he went to he works for Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Russia. So it's kind of funny, you know, like there is a war, he's in his country, he's seen probably as a traitor. In Russia he's not not trusted very well. Kind of funny situation. I don't envy him, because it's not like he chose that. I mean, he chose the war. But should we talk about politics? Should we talk about complex questions? I kind of like those complex topics. They're more fun, you know. If it's simple, you know, it's much more fun when you know to assume when you assume that people are complex and they have complex things, rather than oh, you are Russian, oh, you're bad, oh, you're Ukrainian, you're good, oh, you are, you know, you're British, you're great, you are, you know, American. You are the best, and everyone from some countries is evil and wrong and bad, and everyone from other countries is great and lovely, and you know, and we should trust them. And funny thing is, like, people are complex, and where they are from is complex. So yeah, feel free to explain it if I actually misjudged it, but I think it's funny. It's complex usually. I'm just not sure what is the answer. What I want to this answer. Not sure what to this answer because I don't know. Oh yeah, okay. So where do you live now? America? Yeah, your home now is with us, with your friends, programmers. You know, this is your home. Oh, do you haven't like? Sorry, brain's cooked. That's fine. Doing laundry. Yeah, let's see my women doing laundry. Oh yeah, you know, we don't have to like the shirt tomorrow, right? I used to be a developer, but quit my job 2 weeks ago. Okay, so not sure how to afford anymore, but want to also try to build my thing. Yeah, good job. Like, I think it's a great decision. Like, and that there's like lots of people. Don't look at my code, please. There's lots of people now. I like that kind of movement on YouTube where people are talking about building small apps. You know, so you're not like creating this massive thing. You're just creating small solutions for small problems. Like mine, you know. Mine is actually for small businesses who just want to replace Excel with something bit more modern, you know. So I'm not really trying to compete with Microsoft or like Oracle or something, but I try to like I'm building a small thing. And like there's another thing that I can't really catch yet, you know, because my plan was to finish this Planero thing at the end of last month and just like maybe start releasing it and not really work on it. That's why I followed this. Yeah, cool. So you know, I was planning to sort of start a new app every month. That's a cool thing, but like I don't know if I'm ready for that because I really can't sell this yet, and I think I just need a couple of more days. Ooh, what's this? Yeah, I need to put a couple of more days, maybe actually like the entire month to do everything, like to fix the bugs that I have here on the list. Like I think, okay, I just fixed the German, I think. Did I? I hope so. I mean, AI is doing that, so whatever. Yeah, so I need a couple of more days. So like the new strategy of doing new thing every month is probably not for me, but like I would like to be at the end of maybe 2 or 3 weeks time. I would like to sort of put this up to the side and maybe spend much less time on it, and then I have another app in my head, and I have another project that I could that I have idea for, you know. So and maybe I will kind of get another one in a way. So yeah, I think that's something that is super smart. Although like if you actually like, I don't know how if I was you, how you can do it, because like if you're traveling a lot, this is actually very disrupting. So it's really hard to actually sit down and do things. Second one, you like it's good when you're building it. It's good to not to spend too much money. It's good to actually sort of avoid spending too much money, because otherwise, like, you're gonna quickly run out of money and will have to go back to the corporation, and then your app will be like half cooked, and you might not finish it, which is probably very hard actually sometimes to finish at that point. So I think like it's let's look at the women doing laundry again. So it's actually somewhere where it's cheap and safe. The workflow of building and shipping apps fast is the hardest thing. To understand what's the most productive way. Yeah, I'm planning to settle now somewhere. Yeah. So yeah, this is actually the thing is like like when I'm thinking about products I'm buying, actually they're often not really well finished. So maybe it's just about relaxing and not trying to actually make it all perfect. Just make it good enough to sell, and then maybe, once you actually have it as a product selling, then you can try to maybe improve it later. But when you have clients, so otherwise it's just like endless bugs. And and I think I'm actually getting back to that. I'm sort of seeing myself doing that again. Just like I just keep on fixing things now, and it's not always that broken. Okay. So translations are done, and I've done not only German, but I've done all the other languages, I think. Let's just test, but like I think like it's fine. Okay, so got another product. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Basic information. Oh, see, like this translation is not done. Okay, I think I'm gonna move on with the translations. Let's say it's done until it will annoy me again. But let's just reports still not working correctly. I think they are actually reports. Yeah, but also like, okay, so I will not do a sales video now, but let's just give AI like a cool task to actually make something prettier. It has to judge what's actually prettier. Translations. Yeah, so translations, okay. Push and oh, okay. So now what I want to do is, yeah, I will just give it like very open open task to show it more visual. Can you in reports show it more visually? I don't know. For example, when there is percentage display it as like bar chart. Different. Bar chart. Yeah, I mean it knows what bar chart is. Or let's just move one thing to previous status, so like it's in transit and it's here delayed. Also add more data to report if possible. Yeah, let's try that. Actually, let's give it like open-ended thing. Okay, do a nice thing and make sure if I like it, I'll be fine. That's so true. Make it do the job. Okay, I have to go to sleep. I was nice talking to you. Good luck. Thank you. Yeah, nice to see you again. And see you around. Good luck with your app. Do you wanna see women doing laundry again? Or no? Okay, I think it's too late. Oh, the women, good, women actually wiping floor. That's nice. And fixing the clothes, yeah, sewing clothes. Wiping floor, sewing clothes, make sausage. So nice. Beautiful. This is a beautiful world. And the guy, see, like the guy is sitting there, like, you know, he's looking at his women, doing things for him. I think this is a beautiful world. No, you know, this was before AI. This is how people used to live before AI. And now AI made us actually, made us men work as a, you know, wipe the floor, sweep the floor, and sew the clothes, and do the laundry in the river. Now we have to do it because of AI. And we used to just like sit like that and just look at the women working happily. I don't know what happened to the world. World sucks now. Yeah, okay, let's see. Did you make it prettier? Reports. Yes, no? Okay, good. Oh, this is cool actually. I like that. Nice. Let's also put okay, so we've got 3 months in there. Yeah, okay, let's just compare this to October. Now in January. Yeah, cool. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Looks good. See, like, it's just open-ended. You just give it, just tell AI, make it prettier, and it does it. Like, I'm not, it's not perfect. Like, I think I would rather have a designer actually do that, and maybe some bar charts and shit, but like, I think it's fine. Let's not actually overdo that. So I'm actually like, yeah, I think I'm done here. So like, my last thing today would be to oh, actually, I will actually make a thing for my. Let's change the language of this to English. Save, reports, and compare now. Yeah, January to December. Yeah, let's just record that. Oh, actually I'm recording everything. Nice traditional tones music. Where is the white noise in the background? There is a white noise in the background. Is there? We have like what? There is a white noise in the background. I don't know. I don't hear it. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, maybe. Okay. Oh, let's just like. Okay, I'll just pause it. Pause that. Yeah, there is. You're right. Thanks for that. Shit. Is this my fan? Yeah, this is my fan actually in my laptop. Whoa, it's so loud. I don't hear that. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry for that. I don't know if I can actually fix that. Maybe OBS can. Yeah, there is like. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Oh, let's just try actually plugins for the OBS audio. OBS audio. Remove noise. I wonder if there's a plugin for that. To remove noise, OBS, use built-in noise suppression filter by clicking 3 dots next to the audio source. 3 dots here, filters, and noise suppression. Yeah, okay, let's try this one. Is it? Oh, I think I can. Yeah, yeah. See, Jesus, like I'm a magician. Thanks for letting me know, Alex. Shit, like I wonder. I was wondering if there's only what, like 2 people. Maybe just everyone gets scared, like annoyed by sound. Yeah, yeah. You just have to like apply filters. So cool. Yeah, thanks for letting me know. Actually, this is I didn't hear that, but this is my laptop basically. I bought like a very powerful laptop, but from the cheap brand. It's called Gigabyte, so I'm not sure if it's. And I bought like a older model that was actually like being not being actually sold anymore. So it's me being cheap on it, you know. And the downside, it's very fast. It's a good laptop, but sometimes the fan is actually so loud, you know. It's like, you know, when I'm listening to music, it doesn't matter, but the fan can actually be like you heard it actually because the mic was actually picking up quite a lot of noise from that, you know? And the mic is just next like above the laptop, so yeah. So thanks for letting me know. I think like I know now why this today was less popular than yesterday. Although yesterday, yeah, maybe it was the laptop wasn't that loud yesterday. Yeah, so I will actually remember to use those filters. And great. Like as a to thank you, I will show you how women used to do laundry in the river. I think that's something that you will actually appreciate too. Um, how actually women sweep the floor and then like there's a guy watching them while sitting on the while sitting by the table. No, I don't think this one. No, I think I lost that. Ah, it was such a nice. It was such a nice to watch. Yeah, I think it was here. Yes, yes, yeah. The bald guy actually looking at his woman. So sweet. See, like he is just there, and then they're happy. You know, women are happy because they were like just a minute earlier, just a moment earlier, they were actually doing manual labor, and they are happy, and he is happy. You know, everyone is happy here because they have no AI. You know, this is because no AI. That's my theory. Okay, I think like I have a. Is this like a solution here? You get our report looking better. Ooh, compare months. Yeah, okay, customer. Good, good, good. Thank you. Thank you, AI. Thank you, AI. And see, I'm like in one hand, like a moment earlier, I'm complaining at AI, and now I'm just like, thank you, you are great. Thank you, AI. I love you, AI. We have also a provider stable but it shows nothing. We want to, we would like to show the supplier. Then, yep. There's no system anymore. Yep. Yeah, the boat guy is happy. Good. Yeah, pretty good. I'm married. I don't care. I mean, I'm just telling you guys that they're pretty. You don't. I don't care. Polish people like Russian and Putin. No, probably most of the people in Poland don't like Putin or Russia. I'm kind of ambivalent. I don't really mind them. I used to live in London. I met lots of Russians and Kazakhs and like Ukrainians, Belarusians, and like I don't feel like we are that different. So no, and I don't like many people in Poland like Putin or hate Putin. I mean, most of the people hate Putin, but throughout the war, we kind of started. I think as a nation, we stopped liking Ukrainians that much. Because we help them a lot and they don't seem to appreciate it too much. I think, I don't know, let's not get too political, but that's my opinion. And maybe some people kind of started thinking that Putin is a bit better than they thought before. I don't know. I don't believe those people anyway. I don't believe, Polish politicians as much as I don't believe Ukrainian politicians as much as I don't believe in Russian politicians. It's just like, I think they're scumbags mostly. So yeah, the difference is very little. The difference between Polish politicians and Russian politicians are they speak different language. All the other stuff is the same. Corruption, and lying to you and stuff like that. It's all the same. So yeah, that's how I see it. And in some cases, actually, Polish politicians are worse because they tax me higher than I think in Russia they actually have lower taxes than I pay. Yeah, so But I'm not a big fan of Putin as much as I'm not a big fan of Polish guys. I'm a fan of women dancing. That's what I like, much more. Yeah, where are my top customers? So top. Okay, most of the products. No, I think we lost something. We have lost something. Compare months. Okay, top providers. Yes, but okay. Now I don't see that actually. It's still top providers. No, I'm still. Oops. Top providers in. We should have top suppliers. Yeah, that's what we should have. Yeah, okay. Back to work. Back to work. Well, I think I'll finish soon because I'm going for pizza with one of the guys. There was Cuba yesterday, and I think he's here today. I mean, we have two Cubas that I know personally, and I was actually going to. I invited him for pizza because we are from the same town. We're gonna grab a pizza, one of the places. Yeah. Yeah. So back to my product. Think compare months of suppliers. Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, I think I have to put like in my testing data more deliveries, and then it will actually be cool. But I think I'm gonna be finishing quite soon. Just let me just look again at when I'm doing laundry, and after this, I'm actually going. Yeah, let's do laundry. So yeah, as I said, that was the last time for today. Um, I think that Poland is doing really good in the last years in terms of, yeah, probably everyone says that. So I think we are doing well. Congratulations, Poland. You are doing good. And I hope it will be better. Where are you from, actually, Alex? Did I ask that earlier? And because there is a huge chance that I asked you and I forgot. So feel free to update my knowledge on that. Oh, this is nice. I actually like how this thing looks now. And this is just like one prompt. I just told AI to, make it prettier, dude. Thank you. So yeah, I think like I'm done with this for today. Update. Yeah, okay. So like I didn't want it to put up as a comment message. So I just put update. This will actually make it so much more clear. Greece. Which part of Greece? I've been to Crete. Very nice. I love what I love about Greek people is like they leave keys in the ignition of their motorcycles or cars, and they don't care. No one steals that, and they're so honest. Like, you go to like I was trying to buy earrings for my wife, so the lady there, like in the shop, she just gave me like a discounted price, like 40 or like she said, okay, I'll give you 40% less, so just but no more than that. And I started haggling. I was trying to say, no, let's go down, and she was like, yeah, I already gave you that, I just made it cheaper. Like, why are you trying to even like make it even less? This is actually my lowest price. I will not go below that. I was really nice that I gave you that price, and you buy it or fuck off, So she got offended because I was trying to haggle, because she just gave me the lowest price she could, and I think that's really sweet. And you go to Athens. Crete is beautiful. Yes. So I was in Hania. I don't know Hania. And nice. We have the best food in the world. Probably I would say you have one of the best foods, although you probably never tried Polish dumplings. So make sure you do that before you say that you have the best food. But you do have a good food, and you have a beautiful country. Not very beautiful women, I think. But that's obviously not objective. I can't. I'm married, so I'm not judging women anymore. You have very hospitable people. That was really nice. So wherever we went, like we would get like really nice local stuff, really nice local food, wines. Like when we rented one apartment, we get like really nice like local wine that the guy just like brought it to us. In the other place, we had like a jam and rakia and eggs, and the owner, he was saying that, oh, it's from my farm, so this is for you, like enjoy it, so really nice. Really hospitable people. I really love that, and it's like you never feel that they're trying to like charge you as much as possible. They're just gonna charge you fair, and they're not gonna worry too much. It's like Greek people are not that worried, like they're not that stressed about money. They don't really care too much about that, so like maybe they're not their what's the name, the economy is not the best at this moment, but they don't really care about that too much. It's like maybe it would be better if they cared about it much more. They would probably work much harder, but why would you? You can just enjoy your life and have it nice there. You just have it, you just live as you do, and you just enjoy it. So I think I like that about this. So yeah, you are lucky Alex to be a Greek. You know, I think. My wife has been to Athens. I've never been to Athens, but you know, maybe I'll go. So yeah, thanks for coming. I'm gonna go. It was really enjoyable. I fixed so many bugs today, so I'm back to actually, and I made like really nice report. I think like with AI. So finally, I can finish my sales video, which will happen next time. And once I have my sales video, I will have my sales page almost ready. I will just have to point a domain to it, like buy a new domain. Say I have one that I don't like, domain. I will point to it, or maybe I will point the current one. Maybe I'll do that, and then Google AdWords. I hope. So I hope I will actually start selling it, and I will convince, like I will be, I will feel confident enough to actually start selling it. So yeah, thanks for coming. It was a blast. I really enjoyed it. Someone just came. Unfortunately, I can't stay with you, dude. So yeah, end stream. Goodbye. See you tomorrow or next time, wherever. And stop. How do I stop?